Friends, welcome back to PCB repair channel. Today's tutorial is 43-inch Samsung panel vertical bar problem, and this is the Ticon board. The Ticon board number is TP430CT02-3-C-6. So let's first see the problem of the TV. First, we will release the TV from standby. Yes, I have released standby. Let's see the screen. See, the TV screen has any image problem. Friends, this is the problem of this TV, and this is the Ticon board of this TV, and this is the DC to DC IC. This is Ticon processor IC, and this is level shifter IC. So we know that if there is a vertical issue in any LED TV, then we have to work on level shifter IC or CKB, and in the case of this TV, it is a different job. This is our Ticon processor IC. Since the problem of this TV is a vertical issue, then of course the full voltage of this Ticon board is present, and this TV's Ticon processor IC is this. We have to do this work here. See here, there is a test point called ST1. From this test point we have to take a jumper wire connection. After taking it, we have to connect it to pin 29 of the IC. And how to mark pin 29 of the IC? See the dot mark of the IC. It will connect from here and come to pin 29. Connect the wire that you took from your ST1 connection to this pin 29. Then I hope this problem will be solved, and this solution is applicable to all Samsung panels. So I will take the jumper wire from here. I have made the connection. Now let's release the TV to standby and see if the solution is found. Very nice, the TV's picture is on. Thank you everyone for watching the printer video. I have one more request. If you watch the video from the Facebook page, be sure to follow the page. If you watched it from the YouTube channel, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon next to it so that notification reaches your device as soon as the next video is uploaded. Everyone will be thank you.